These steps are what's going to help you start your six-figure business in 2025. A little more than a few years ago, I started a small little business and within a year grew that business to over 6 figures. If you want to start a six-figure business in 2025, I'm going to share with you how. I'm going to share with you everything I did, the tools I use, exactly step by step. I'm about to break down the exact steps I took. And I'm going to show you how I use a simple tool to keep my finances in check and help me scale faster than I ever imagined. Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is CIARA and I'm a former full-time mortgage loan officer and a YouTuber, and I've helped thousands of people to buy homes and to build wealth. So I take everything I know and I share it with you guys in hopes that you will build wealth also. I also share lifestyle of what it's like to be a creator and a wife. So if you like this content, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Okay, step one. Step one is the idea. This is where it all begins. You really want to figure out your niche and a product or service that you want to offer. Now, your niche needs to be something where there's a demand, but also room for you to stand out. I really want you to start by asking yourself these questions. What am I passionate about? What are people willing to spend money on? What problems can I solve for my target audience? If you're going to choose to do a product or a service, make sure you're offering something that solves a problem and has real value. Price, you've got to price it right. A high quality product or service at a fair price will make people willing to pay. And then customers. This is where your marketing and sales work is going to come in, because you need a steady flow of new customers to reach that six-figure goal. Now, once you've got your idea, the next step is getting organized. Now, you don't need to overcomplicate it, but you do need to set yourself up for success. Now, my idea came from finding a way to monetize my influence, but your idea could really come from anywhere. It's all about identifying a gap in the market and capitalizing on it. First things first, register your business, get your website going, and start tracking your finances. Now, the financial part is where a lot of new business owners fall short, and that's why I had to make sure that I had the right tools from day one. I do have more specific videos on starting an LLC and creating a website, and I have a whole playlist full of videos on how to start your own business. Okay, step three. Step three is the finance secret weapon. Okay, so here's the part a lot of people miss when starting a business. You have to smartly manage your money. I mean, it's not just about money, it's about making your money work harder for you. Okay, so this is Live Oak Bank's business savings account. It's really simple, it's digital, and best of all, it's designed for small business owners like me. Let me show you why it's a total game changer. Here's what you get with Live Oak Bank's business savings account. A 3.70% annual percentage yield, or APY, and this is one of the best business savings rates in the US. No monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements. It's easy digital access. You can literally open your account in minutes and manage it online at any time. It's also FDIC insured, so your funds are protected up to $250,000. So that can give you a little peace of mind while you're growing your business. Now, when I set up my business, I used a separate business savings account to separate my business savings from my personal finances. It just made managing cash flow and taxes a breeze. And I don't have to scramble during tax season or wonder where, my finances stand for my business. Step four. Step four is all about scaling your business and leveraging profit. Now, once your business starts bringing in some revenue, it's time to scale. This could mean outsourcing tasks, hiring employees, or even partnering with other businesses. And as your revenue grows, you want to invest it back into your business. Now, whether it's through paid ads or hiring experts or by expanding your product offerings. Don't get it twisted. Scaling doesn't just mean work harder. It means reinvesting wisely. Reinvesting your profits into marketing, hiring employees, or improving your product is really the key to growth. But just as important is to keep your business savings growing too. And you want to do it with a high APY savings account like the one from Live Oak Bank. It allows you to grow your funds while you can focus on your business. This was a tactic that I used when I went into business for myself, and it's actually how I bought my house. The money that I made off of my money, I used to put a down payment on a brand new house. By leveraging that 3.70% APY, you're getting way more than what a traditional savings account can offer you. You get to keep even more of the money that you earn. We always want that. Okay, Step 5 is changing your mindset. You want to start thinking like a CEO. To hit that 6-figure mark, it's not just about working hard or even having a good idea. It's about the right mindset and working smart. And that means thinking like a CEO and not just an entrepreneur. You really have to shift from thinking like an employee to thinking like a business owner. Employees focus on doing their job well, but business owners focus on building systems, solving problems at scale, and making money work for them. It is not for the weak, let me tell you. You have to be prepared to take risks, to fail fast, learn from those failures, and constantly improve. And the sooner you embrace this kind of thinking and this mindset, the sooner you will be working towards that 6-figure mark. And again, think about your finances like a CEO. Separate your business and your personal account, get the right banking tools in place, and use savings accounts that actually work for you. You're not gonna bank the same way you did when you were an employee and not a business owner. I will shout it from the rooftops, using a tool like Live Oak Bank's business savings account was a huge part of my strategy. Banking with a high yield savings account like Live Oak, it gave me clarity and control over my finances, so I could really just focus on growing my business without stressing over money management. So how do you start your own 6-figure business? It all starts with a great idea, solid organization, and making smart financial decisions. And using a business savings account like the one that Live Oak Bank offers, it helped me keep my business savings working hard for me, all while I was focused on scaling and leveraging my profit. It's literally one of the best decisions I have ever made for my business and I've ever made for my life. And you can do it too. Click the link in the description below to get started with Live Oak Bank and claim that $200 cash bonus. Let's get your business savings working for you while you are growing your 6-figure business. Finally, optimize for profit. Revenue is great, but profit is where you see the real result. Track your expenses, optimize pricing, and always look for ways to improve efficiency in your business. You want to be growing your top line and your bottom line. Okay, so to wrap it up, starting a 6-figure business isn't some magic formula. It's about taking the right steps, having the right mindset, and being willing to put in the work. Focus on your niche, automate where you can, scale, and always optimize. The road to 6 figures is a marathon. It's not a sprint, but if you follow these steps, you will be well on your way. So I hope this video helped you get a clear roadmap on how to start your 6-figure business in 2025. Don't forget, success isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment telling me about your own business journey. I would love it if we could all grow together.